What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Moto Thursday, and today we are going to start tearing apart Logan's dirt bike. And this is kind of a famous problem for these cheap Chinese ones. The gears get stripped out and they don't work right. So if you guys want to learn something new about the 125s, stay tuned.
Hey Logan. It's going to be a little loud because they got people out here working on the yard, but we're going to get the oil drained on the bike now. So Logan? Hey, I don't use the drill. No, you're not using the drill to pull the oil, right? Just strip it. Start draining. Okay, so now that the oil is drained, next we're going to be focusing on getting the carburetor off here, or at least get the cable taken off, as well as the clutch cable down here. All this has to come off, and then we have to get the exhaust disconnected. So go ahead and get like a 10 millimeter Logan. Let's get this exhaust disconnected. Let's kind of get this tucked away or even pulled completely off. And let's get the Kickstarter pulled, the lever pulled off that.
Do I need to hold it, or can I put it down?
Put it over here. And just like that, as you guys can see, this is what it should look like, all nice and clean. This is what happens when Chinese crap goes bad. So we're going to try to save some of this stuff if we need it, and we're going to get this installed on the new one. Looks like we need this here, but there's a little bit of rust on here, so we're going to try to get this bearing out without damaging anything. So here's the new gears. Make sure you guys be careful because it looks like they're all kind of put in place where they should be. So we're going to just basically take this, and we're going to take the first part, which is going to be this piece, and then this basically goes, you're going to have this collar here, and then this collar here goes into that one, and then the collar goes into the other one. And then this all slides back together.
You want this other one out?
One piece. Yeah, pull that one out. Now this piece here, you're going to see this collar here slides right into this one here. So basically we got this all kind of put back together the way it should be. And then it slides back down into the housing, which I don't have you guys seeing, but you guys will see when you guys put this back together for yourselves, where everything goes.
That's way off on the side.
It is way off, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the way the trick is kind of get it working, and then once you put it in there,
Right there.
you'll feel it start to slide down and kind of take hold. Oops, let's pop that out of here.
Yeah, because it was in.
There it goes. It's because that bottom one goes to the bottom gear,
Which is first gear, and as it goes
There
up,
it Yep. So there it goes. Just pops down into place just like that. So then your gear selector will select between the gears.
It's first gear first, and then it goes up, and as it does it.
Okay. So let's get this put back in place here so that this doesn't move.
You remember where all these things go?
Where's this go again? Pan that down again. Okay.
Tighten that up a little bit. That'd be insane if you already forgot.
Well, I hope you've been paying attention.
A little bit, yeah. I know where like the body ones go. Which ones? Oh, pull it off. Oh.
No, cool. There you go.
It was greasy. Couldn't get a hold of it. Oh yeah, and we can't forget to put the gaskets on. Cut yourself?
No. Maybe I did.
Let me see. What do you mean something fell? This is what came out on the side. You're gonna have to lift that up because that went underneath of it.
This one?
Yeah, because this went underneath there.
Okay, with multiple issues with our GoPro, we finally got it situated. In the process of Logan working on that, I did start getting this put back together. I apologize, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Once you get the gears out, it's to reverse order of how we tore it apart. We've got the clutch pack all turned back, put back on. Got the gear, got the kickstart, everything's put back on. We're going to set the timing, and we're going to start working on getting the jugs put back on and the cylinder head, and get this all retimed back up.
I'll set it down. Well, what is it going down?
Because the piston ring's got to be pressed in. Hold on.
I know, I was trying to...
You hold down. Okay. Here's the bolt for this.
These? No.
Nope, that ain't it.
This one?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
I don't know how to get that.
so the way this works is this is actually keyed a certain way. So what we're going to do is I got this somewhat into position. And then the notch here is going to match the notch up on top, and that's going to retime it to the certain, to the correct time, in theory. Voila. Now, I'm going to verify that this notch is still on top, and then it's going to be right here, right dead. So it's going to be pretty much close enough, I think, to be timed. And you kind of just work it back onto the cam. Kind of move these gears, this gear.
Where'd that little fishing? Oh, never mind.
So, once you do that, these gears are geared, or keyed, so that it only goes on one way once you do that. And the reason for this is we're taking a little bit longer because we've never done this, but technically on a racetrack, you would want to do this pretty quick so that you can get back on the track, and when you have to tear something apart.
On a racetrack, they have multiple engines,
yeah, you could tear it apart that way, but...
This one... Oh, bigger. No, yeah, it's definitely bigger.
Nope, it's not that one either.
What is that?
That's a 8, the 9.
I think this was... Nope, that was... Nope. Wait, was it this one? Yeah, it is that one.
Okay, hold the flywheel there. Tighten. Okay, so moment of truth. Got it all back together. Oh man, first try. Holy crap, check that out. We had already started it up, so that was not just the first try. And of course he stalls it right on camera. Good one going. Can't just drop the clutch. We're gonna adjust the clutch, we're gonna do a few more things, and he's gonna take it out for a quick ride real quick and see how it works.
We'll figure out what's going on with that, but
We'll figure it out.
it's still dinging it.
Let's start it back up. So all gears are working now, and we've got a couple things. We got a little noise on the bottom. I'm pretty sure it's the tensioner, but we're going to try to, for the kickstart, we're going to work on that. But for right now, we're going to clean up. It runs. It's enjoyable. He can have some fun with it for right now, and I'm going to wrap it up for today. So hope you guys like it. I am so sorry about some of the cameras going dead as far as us working through that stuff, but that's the life of a YouTuber. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.